Hi, good morning everyone. Myself, Bhagvat Sir. I am PhD student. I am doing a PhD on topic of search of new methodology for synthesis of nitrogen and oxygen containing heterocyclic compound under the guidance of Dr. Sayujata Vaidya ma'am. She is the professor and HOD of chemistry department at Vivekanand College at Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Next slide is this is the objective of my research work. The first objective is the development of new synthetic route for the organic transformation and heterocyclic molecule. Attempt will be focused to minimize the hazardous waste. Third one is to develop the cost efficient synthesis route for heterocyclic molecules. Next one is to develop cost efficient synthesis route for heterocyclic molecule. Next one is to several objectives such as higher yield, shorter reaction time, easy workup procedure and recycling of the catalyst. Next is this is the objective. Next one is the scope. First scope is to development of speedier, more varied and more practical synthetic route. For practical synthesis technique has increased synthetic research on heterocyclic derivative over a time. Second scope is heterocyclic molecule have a gain increasing attention in the synthesis and bioactivities study due to their substantial biological activity. Next one is this will be undoubtable give the researcher a comprehensive grasp of the structure activity connection study, which then aids in the development of several powerful nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur containing heterocyclic molecule. Last one is the environmentally accepting, low cost, no need of chromatographic separation technique and higher yield, important feature of this protocol. The next slide is the methodology. Those methodology I was used in the research work, those are mentioned in this slide. The first is the selection of known nitrogen oxygen containing heterocyclic molecule based on literature review. Second one is the selection of alternate cost efficient route of synthesis which is not covered in the literature survey. And the last methodology is a lab scale synthesis detail of selected molecule. This is the methodology of my research work. And next one is the design of experiment. The first is to check the feasibility of reactions. Second one is the optimization of process. Next one is the to check the reproducibility of reactions. Next one is to collect the data, and last one is the characterization for confirmation of targeted molecule or final molecule of the reaction. That is the methodology. Next slide is expected result or outcome of our reaction or our topic. Expected result is first one is the simple, cost efficient and commercially viable process. It is also most important. Next one is the new process for the selected peptide molecule or heterocyclic molecule. Next one is the more pure peptide molecule than reported or in the literature survey on the basis of that. Next one is the more yield and high quality of peptide molecule. And next one is the new approaches maybe reduce the time cycle of synthesis. Last one is the new approaches may resolve the issue of peptide scalability. That is the expected result and outcome of my research work. Next slide is here. Reaction scheme first. This scheme is I was already done in my research period. This is the 3 component 1 pot reaction in which I was prepared this targeted molecule. The name of this targeted molecule is 1,4-hexahydroquinoline. This is the 3 reactant substrate in which reaction. First one is the 4-chlorobenzahaldehyde, second one is diamidone, and third one is the ethyl acetoacetate. This reaction I was run in the novel catalyst, ethanol solvent, and that is the ammonium acetate. It is also required to completion of reaction. and this is the pure component I was get, and I was developed the new method to preparation of this targeted molecule. And next slide is references. Those references I was taken in literature survey. I was read the different type of research paper and different journal. From that study, I was taken these references. On the basis of these references, I was taken this previous slide of the reactions and completing that reaction on the basis of these references. And last slide is here. Thank you all of you.